everyone, my name's Judi. I'm with Empower Simcoe EarlyON Child and Family Center here in Barrie. And today I'm sitting outside and I was picking up some branches that had fallen off the trees in my backyard, and I found this really great one. Take a look at it. Wow. You know, it kind of looks like the letter Y. Y. Y makes the sound Y. Y. Can you make the sound for Y? Y. Y. Yes. That's a Y sound. That's a Y word. Yes. Can you think of other words that begin with the letter Y? I know. What about yellow? The color yellow begins with the letter Y. Yellow. What's inside? Oh, there's a ball of yarn inside. Yarn begins with the letter Y as well. Yarn. Hey, I have an idea. I'm going to take the yarn and I'm going to wrap it all around here, back and forth and back and forth. And then I'm going to take my treasure box. Do you have a treasure box? My treasure box is made out of a shoebox. And I have some holes in the top and something soft inside and a magnifying glass so that I can look at things that might crawl inside my treasure box, like caterpillars and bugs. And then they can breathe with all the little holes in there. And then I let them go, of course, so they don't die. But I'm going to go walking around my backyard with my treasure box right now and see what I can find. And I'm going to do some nature weaving. And then I'll show you when I'm all finished. Take a look at what popped inside my treasure box. I'm going to open the lid and it's going to fly away. Oh, did you see that? That was fast. Hi everyone. So I went around and I collected lots of treasure in my treasure box. Take a look at this. It's full of treasures that I found in my backyard. Maybe you could go walking in a backyard or at the park or down at the beach and find some treasures too. And take a look at the weaving I did with my letter Y piece of wood. So as you can see, I wrapped the yarn around and around and I crisscrossed and I tied lots and lots of knots. Maybe you can get an adult to help you make the knots. I can't even see you. Peekaboo. So now I'm going to take my treasures and I'm going to start to weave them inside the yarn. Oh, take a look at this. It's a part of a vine. Do you see all the little curly bits? That's a beautiful vine. Lovely leaves. And I'm going to weave that in just like that. Now, oh, look at this. This is a very different leaf. Look at the shape of it. And it's starting to go yellow. That's a beautiful leaf. I'm going to put it right in there. Just like that. This flower looks like it's starting to die. Look, the leaves are turning dull and it's feeling a little hard and dry. and all the seeds are starting to come off it. But it makes perfect treasure for my weaving. Look at this. This flower fell off one of the plants I have here. Isn't it beautiful? It's got a bright red color. This is starting to look good. I'll show you when I'm all finished. Hi, I'm back. So, I finished nature weaving. Do you want to take a look? Look at that. Look at all the treasure I found. I put all different kinds of leaves in there. Some pieces of wood. A thistle that was quite prickly. So were these. Some pine needles. Look at these flowers. Purple flowers. Tiny little daisies. I'm quite proud of what I made. Are you going to give it a try? I hope so. I'm going to put this somewhere on display. I like it. And look, I still have lots of treasure left over. Maybe that moth will come back and take a look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below.